Hey guys, it's Quincy. So last video I put the battery in, had it charging for a while. Didn't really want to start, just gave a little flash on the neutral and the oil light when I put it in. So I thought the battery might be bad. Took it to Batteries Plus. They did a reading, it was 3.4 when they took the reading. So I wasn't sure if they could do anything. I asked them to see if they could recharge it. Called the next day. It was reading 12.9, so it's back up and running. Today, we're gonna get it put on the bike. And then we'll see if the electrical works. Might drain the gas out of the tank and see if we can get the bike to start up completely. Got the moment of truth. The battery's in, should be charged. Oh yes. Headlights come on. Now, just gotta wait for it to dry. So I'll wait for the air filter to dry. I'm gonna do a little electrical test, check some of the turn signals, the brakes, things like that. Also, got the mileage finally. So, that side works. Right side works. Let's check that's the front handbrake. Check the rear wheel. No light for the rear. When I was pressing the rear wheel brake, it was not getting brighter. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Maybe the bike has to be on completely. Who knows? More to come on that. So I was doing a little sleuthing around and I think I figured out the problem to why the rear brake light is not being activated with the rear wheel. And I believe it is the switch, which on this side, you kind of see it behind the reservoir right there. Hard to get in close. See a little bit of the red threading. That is the switch, which will need to be replaced. So I went ahead and ordered one online, and that should be coming in the next week or two. And that'll get replaced, and hopefully that will fix it. Finally, time to put some new gas in it. Got the premium, put a little treatment in there. Not gonna say which one because nobody pays me for my tens of views I would get them on YouTube. But time to fill it up. Then we'll probably see if it actually turns over, but not right yet. I got a few more things to do. Hey guys, so still not starting. Tried to check the battery, made sure that was good. Even used my truck battery, hooked it up that way with the truck not on to make sure it's not the battery. Still having the same starting problem where it just has that loud click. Not sure if it's the relays, the starter motor, anything like that. I've been on the forums, been trying to research some things, have a few questions out to some people, seeing what the issue can be, but I think this is going to wrap it up for this episode, and hopefully the next one I'll figure out the problem and we can get it fixed and finally get this started up. I do need to clarify that I did take the plugs out, got the rear wheel up, got into the highest gear, spun it, sprayed a little in the cylinders, made sure that the engine was not stuck, but still getting the same sound overall. I'll do it again just so you know what it is. So, not sure if there's bad connection to the starter, what it is. Hopefully, I'll get it figured out soon.